Hi, I'm Jamie Kahl Miller, and I'm about to unlock the fabulous world of understanding yourself and other people through the amazing medium of astrology. There's an ancient saying, when the student is ready, the teacher will appear. And I'm probably your next teacher because I'm offering you an amazing class that lays the foundation for understanding human beings through the archetypes of astrology. In this class, we go through every archetype with a great deal of thoroughness. We look at all of the planets, all of the signs, and all of the houses. And we do that in the charts of the students in the class. So you get to learn from real-time examples with real people that you can actually find out about their experience with that piece of the chart. Your chart could be this one that's right here next to my picture. How does the class work? You study the materials before class, and then in class, we use the materials for examples in students' charts right there in front of you, and then the classes are recorded too, so you get a ton of value in each class because you get the lecture materials, you get to sit in and see those materials being applied, and then you get the recordings of the class afterwards, and you get to keep all that stuff forever to come back to as many times as you want to absorb the information. If you've been studying astrology on your own, there are probably gaps in what you know. This class is designed to fill in those gaps, and when you understand the archetypes of astrology and how they apply to people's charts and people's lives, you literally learn to read another human being like a book. Using your own astrology chart, you can answer some of life's biggest questions, like what sort of career should I have? What sort of partner should I find? And why am I here? What is my purpose? Just imagine if you could answer questions like that about the chart of anybody in your life. So join me on the marvelous journey of self-discovery and discovery of other human beings by clicking the link below. You're going to be so glad you did, and I can't wait to meet you.